He's called reducing the price of prescription drugs one of his greatest priorities. And this afternoon in the Rose Garden, the president proudly announced plans to keep that promise.
My administration is launching the most sweeping action in history to lower the price of prescription drugs for the American people.
We need a system for prescription drug prices that puts American patients first.
Both President Trump and Health and Human Services Secretary Alex Azar pointed out the current system often takes advantage of patients when it should be taking care of them, outlining the 4 major problems the president's plan will address: high list prices for drugs, government rules that get in the way of the Medicare program, foreign countries freeloading off American innovation, and high out-of-pocket costs like premiums and copays.
First, increased competition. Second, increased and better negotiation. Third, incentives to actually lower list prices. And fourth, lowering out-of-pocket costs.
The proposal aims to save patients money at the pharmacy counter by increasingly introducing generic drugs in the medical marketplace, while pushing the FDA to require drug makers to include the price of their medications in TV ads.
It's material and relevant to know if it's a $50,000 drug or a $100 drug, because often that patient is going to have to bear a lot of that cost.
And President Trump says his plan will also address a so-called gag rule at the drugstore that prevents pharmacies from telling their patients how much money they can save. He also hopes to target the drug lobby industry, which he says is making an absolute fortune at the cost of Americans who need their medication. There is no timeline yet, though, for getting any of this passed.